Hi, and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. I'm out here living life as Levon. So let's sit down and talk. We haven't talked in a while. I'm outside. Look at my garden. It didn't grow right, but my peppers are growing. Look at that. Some other things didn't. I don't know what's going on with my tomatoes and everything else. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 containers, all I got is a couple of peppers growing. But it's okay. I'm gonna try and grow some other stuff. So since we've hit our 10,000 subscribers, I've been trying to do a lot more videos for you guys because I have a lot of you asking me to do specific types of videos about specific foods and things. So we're gonna do some different things. We're gonna do some more organizational things in the kitchen. I'm sorry, but the sun is in my face, y'all. Y'all remember I live in the Sunshine State. So we're gonna do some organizational things. We're gonna try and cook some more things that we've never cooked before. I've been cooking some things that we have cooked, but just in a different way. So say for instance, chicken, you can fried chicken, and I cook fried chicken this way. I cook fried chicken in the air fryer. I cook fried chicken in the grease or something. So it's like I'm cooking the same thing but different ways. You guys keep those suggestions coming. Let me know what it is you want to see. Those of you who want to be guests on my channel, make sure you let me know what it is you can cook, and please make sure you can cook before you ask to be on the channel. I love finding new recipes, new ideas, especially from different cultures and different things like that. So if you guys have something you want to cook and it's not already on the channel, make sure you look on the channel first for recipes. And if it's not out there, that's when I can cook it for you. But oh, here comes that hawk. Look at that. Have you guys ever seen a hawk before? He likes to come and sit on my balcony, but when he comes, I have to go. Those things are dangerous, and of course, you can't do anything to them in Florida. You go to jail for that, so I just run in the house and hide. But yeah, I'm going to have to restart my garden because that segment just didn't go well, as you see. My tomatoes didn't grow. Those were the things I thought was going to grow the most. I don't know what happened. But I still have my pots, I still have my dirt, so I'm just gonna start all over, you know. It's still warm down here. Things will still grow, so we'll try it. But in the meantime, we do have peppers. What else? There was some other things you guys wanted me to talk to you about. I'm going to start having some segments where I come out and talk to you guys a couple times a week, just to sit down and talk to you. I may not necessarily be cooking anything, but just to talk to you about some questions you've asked me or some comments that you've made. I appreciate all the comments, all the questions. I appreciate you guys being there for me. Look at my plant, my little basil plant. My friend gave me that, and I love it. I've been using it. I love using fresh herbs. I'm going to keep the tips coming. If you have tips for me that you want me to put on the channel, let me know what types of tips you have, and I'll do that. So it's hot out here. I'm going to go back inside because the sun is really bad. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button.